And then look at what Bossco found. That is insane. Is that an automatic keeper? Is that an automatic keeper? That is fire. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Geeks. We are back for another video. Doing some more Ross, doing some more Marshalls. I think Marshall over there. And we do have Bobby Thrift here.
Yes, sir.
Let's go check out some of these shops, man. All right, let's go. Starting with Ross. Let's go. All right, I'm looking for some jerseys. Hopefully, Mitchell Ness jerseys. But yeah, we're starting off with these Under Armour. You got Under Armour right here, $25 for these bad boys. These are like really good material. This normally is like 80 bucks. New Balance running shirt, 15 bucks. Nike track jacket, super thin though, extra thin, $30 for these bad boys. All right, looking for jerseys and medium. I went through some of the large, no luck. Got this Kane jersey, pretty dope. This is actually nice. It is a Fanatics, going for 30. I don't think he plays for the team though. I don't really follow hockey like that though. And then look at what Bossco found. That is insane. Is that an automatic keeper? Is that an automatic keeper? That is fire. All right, let me see what these are going for. Let's see, $30. And then normally $155. These are both what, large? Large. What do you guys think about the color on these? What do you guys think about the color? At least it's not the gold one that we talked about, right. the gold one, which I'm really not into. Not a huge fan of this. This is fire though. It is fire. I don't remember Vince Carter wearing this colorway in '98. I'm not gonna lie, but yeah, it is fire to find jerseys, Mitchell Ness jerseys, especially if you are a Raptors fan. That is fire. What a find. More jerseys. This is a size large. You do got Jacobs, Josh Jacobs, not bad. That's $40 for those. We've been seeing these, and we got Burns. Who is this fool? Like, I don't really know much about the Panthers. $40 for these. That's a large. And the double XL. And of course, more Kelsey jerseys. We've been finding these. God dang, I need to send my boy his jerseys tomorrow. Been lagging. See, like a Brazil colorway right here. Double XL. Normally 70 down to 20 for an Adidas hoodie. This is a nice hoodie too. I did check the shorts. Check the entire section. No Mitchell Ness love, no Nike love, not much. Bossco, why are they playing soft rock in this neighborhood?
I don't know what's going on.
They're playing soft rock. We're on, like, what is this? Is this Compton? What is this? Right, Huntington Park, and we're listening to soft rock out over the loudspeaker. What the hell is going on? Adelaide Slice, Manchester United. Adelaide Slice going for 15 bucks. 15 bucks. That's not bad. They do got these Crocs right here, size 11. I'm looking for a size 9. Is that 11? 11 men's. But yeah, finally found some Crocs, I guess. 20 bucks. Looking for some smaller ones. Another size 11 right there. Got some Freedom slides right here. Under Armour Freedom slides. Going for 18. Got some UGG slippers. UGG slippers, $25 for those bad boys. Apparently this is the slide segment of this episode. $22 for these. Never seen this colorway of the Clifton 8s. These are size 9.5. Go for 80 bucks. Been finding some of these blazers here and there. 50 bucks for canvas blazers. They're about to tell on me. More Hoka Challenger ATRs go for $80. Any insane finds? Anything worth
besides
getting?
This, really, this is it.
Still thinking about it?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna grab them.
Oh, gonna get them? Okay.
Makes sense. Fourth quarter, maybe. I don't know.
That's great for Christmas. Yeah, great for Christmas.
Fine. 29 bucks. You can't go wrong with that.
Dang, 30 bucks. Dang. I haven't showed you guys all of them, but I have been checking the ball section. Got PSG balls right here. PSG size 5 and this is for size 5. This is for 13 and up. $10 for PSG stuff. Not too shabby. Is this a country one? What's this one right here? Is that Argentina? I don't know. I don't know who that is. Yeah, that's Icon. That's kind of an off-brand. Been looking for the NFL football or the Nike footballs. They do have a Nike football I've been looking for. They're like the elite footballs that normally go for like $100 and they've been having for like 20 bucks. here at some of the Rosses. Don't see none here. Got some Salomons here, go for 70. And then got what are these? What curries are these? I don't know which curry it is. One of the curries do got them 50 bucks. Under Armour hovers, if you're into those, kind of a bigger size. The Hover Sonics go for 47. Got a mini restock right here. I did have to check. They just have that Kane jersey. That's the only thing that I saw. Checking the kid section, but checking to see if they got any Uggs. I don't really even see anything worth showing y'all though. Checking the women's section now, seeing what's going on over here. Checking the tiny sizes. They don't have any Uggs, but they do got some Hoka, the Clifton 8s. This is size 8 though. So Bossco's still thinking about it.
There might be some meat on the bone, but if you want $10 or $20, it's not really what I'm looking for. So I'm gonna actually leave them for somebody else. I'm gonna find some other ones that do well for me. There's like 8 listed that are not flooded on eBay, but I don't really sell on eBay. I sell on Mercari. So based on that, I'm gonna leave them alone.
All right, there's
somebody else and somebody else.
All right, there's the reseller perspective right there. There you go. Damn, dope find. Such a dope find, but hey, it is what it is. Women's sneakers wise, like I don't really see much at all. I don't see jack. It is what it is. All right, let's go move on to the next location. Oh, well. All right, there's a pro model right here. That's like the only decent thing I've seen, 25 bucks. All right, let's go check out the next spot, man. Got a few more spots. Went with some slides. These are the Jordan Hydro 3 white cement. I think these came out before the Reimagine. This is like a 2018 pair, so yeah, wearing these bad boys. And then Mitchell Ness shirt. I think I got these for what, 20 bucks, something like that. And then some tank top, man. It's hot as hell outside. But I think we're getting a tropical storm or something this upcoming week. I don't know. Next door do have a Marshall. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, let's go through the right door. Let's go. I don't even need to do a fit check in the mirror. I could just do it on their camera right there, man. Looking all right, looking all right, okay. It's interesting because Bossco and I, we kind of do similar things, but we kind of do things way different. He went straight to the shoes. I went straight to the apparel because, man, I'm trying to find jerseys and stuff. Hopefully Bossco had way more luck than me because I ain't finding jack. I ain't finding jack. It's one of those trips. Do got a Nike Rams jacket, fleece jacket, going for $25. But like I said, we ain't really finding nothing good. Cody Bellinger. Do you have a Cody Bellinger? Of course, he's not with the team anymore. $135 down to $30. But yeah, not really much. Also checking the shorts. They have long pants here as well. No, not really finding nothing. Got a 69 Mustang shirt. Pretty fire. That is pretty fire. It's an official Ford. Dang, there's a hologram and stuff. $13 for that. That's something my kiddo's been into lately. Car shirts. Got some, what are these? Corvettes right here. But I'm not a fan of that look, like all that worn look. That's just not my thing. Got muscle car right here. I don't know what kind of car that is though. Alright, just one of those trips. Bossco's check of the sneaker section was super quick. My check of the apparel section super quick. Just one of those trips, man. Like, this is the type of stuff we're seeing. What the hell is this? $19, but what is it? Got some Aldo shoes right here. Got some Ghost. Got some Brooks Ghost. I guess that's decent. $70 for those bad boys. But that one aisle, that's the whole sneaker section for the guys right here. That's it, yo. The women's section, they do have shoes, but I don't really see any sneakers. All right, next spot. All right, if Bossco finds a bunch of heat, I'm gonna be mad as hell because that means I did a really crappy job. Nothing, huh? And it's extra dry, man, extra dry. Yeah, I saw that book. Come on, like. But yeah, no, really not much. No, he's not with them anymore. And then last store, WSS. Bossco Mitchell, he's been talking about his in his Discord, people have been talking about how they've been getting fined. So I did stop by one of these a while back because of that. So yeah, let's go. Bossco's doing an entire vlog of this whole store. Make sure you guys go check out his channel because I'm focusing on that right there. Super savings. Let's go. So yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Dude got a back wall. Back wall is very similar to some of the Nike clearance items sometimes. All right, let's go. And by that I mean like the Nike outlet clearance items in the back wall. Dude, they got these 90 bucks. This is a size 9.5. You do get the full box too, which is fire. Such a fan of that. I got mine for 60 though. Hopefully you guys saw that video, and hopefully you guys were able to go out and get one if that's something that you want. Ultraboost right here. $70 for Ultraboost. That is actually a really, really good deal. Holy cow, that's what's up. Got these in multiple sizes. Got Blazers right here, size 9, go for 90 bucks. Presto's going for 100, a little bit much. As well as this Huarache's going for 90 as well, a little too much. Jordan 11 low IEs, 140. Okay, I think that's similar to Shoe Palace prices, right? And we got more of these, the 8, what's this, 8.5. And then the Shaq Attacks. Shaq Attacks going for 100 bucks. That's a solid price. Normally what, 180 or something, so that's a hell of a price. Dude got Huarache's right here, going for 90 bucks. Got KD Tray 10s. KD Tray 510s, $65 for these bad boys, the size 9.5. Being nosy, checking the upstairs portion right there, $90 for these bad boys. Of course, I picked mine up for hella cheap. I gave that away though, so I guess I didn't pick mine up. I picked someone else up. 90 bucks for these, not bad. $70 for these 574s. So what's that, $20 off? Some decent material, not the softest weight, but not bad. Oh man, I went up there for nothing. Got one right here. Got tons of sizes of these bad boys. And look at this. Look at these. These are normally $140. And this is what I'm talking about. Like, get some of these instead of the regular Air Force Ones. These look freaking fire. Man, these look rugged as hell. Does have that nubuck upper, but like better material than just the regular white Air Force Ones. These look dope. Got suede on the eye stay area right here, as well as the Nike swoosh right there. These are fire, dude. 70 bucks. Man, I'm trying to lay low right now. Like, this is just dope. Would this be good for the rain? Or would this be like, I don't know, I feel like it's like a soft nubuck. I don't know. I wonder if this is rain resistant, because I do need some rain shoes, and these might do 70 bucks. That is a deal. Air Force Ones do run big, so I do wear a size 10. More Luka ones go for 90 bucks. LeBron's down to $90. This is a 10.5 right here. That's a hell of a deal. Classic leathers down to 40 bucks. Interesting colorway. Not my cup of tea. Comfort 11 lows right here. Bigger sizes, size 12. Do got plenty of these and plenty of sizes. Got T-Max going for 50, not bad. More of these. I really like these, I really do. Holy cow. Tatum one's already $20 off. Pretty fire colorway. You get a full box with this one. MS 270s in the size 13 right here. So what, $30 off for those. Got the Reebok, what is the question pumps in a Shaq Attack box. How dare you guys? How dare you? These are severely discounted. Pegasus right here, 60 bucks, size 14. And we got the waffles going for 70. Checking the super small section. Look at this. Look at this, the Kobe PEs. Question mids going for $80. Got them in a bunch of small sizes though. Size 7. Kids apparel. Look at this. Look at this. Jordan hoodies, $20 for the kids. Pretty fire. They got the matching pants, go for 20 bucks as well. They got what, shirts for the girls, I guess. 15 bucks for those. Let's go for 15 as well. Yep. Pretty decent prices for kids apparel. Men's clearance section right here, $15 to $20 for most of this stuff. Yankee shirt. That's actually a pretty dope shirt. New era Yankee shirt. What's that, go for 20 bucks? Some house brand shorts right here, fleece shorts, go for what was that, $10? Kind of looks like a Nike tag. That's funny. Colors not bad. Material not too shabby. This is a champion shorts that someone just left right here. Material significantly softer. Price, 20 bucks. Back in another section, mostly those generic shorts, WS brand right here. They do have some of the champion ones mixed in. The apparel section, not too bad. The back wall for the sneakers, such a great spot. We're checking out for you guys, man. Look at Bossco searching for deals. Look at him searching. He's even going through all the boxes right here. I did see these when I walked in. Wasn't gonna go through all of them, but finding interesting stuff. Look, this is all stuff off the back wall. So not bad. They're pricing them. They haven't priced them yet. That's the issue. Okay. Wait, I didn't see this section right here. Do you got new era hats? Just says up to 60% off. Not everything's marked, I guess. It is on sale, just not everything's marked. $20 for this hat. Okay, that's LAFC hat. Dude got Mitchell Ness. Going for $25. $15 for Rams hat. Old school Lakers hat right there, 20 bucks. They got some hats, they got hats. Don't know the prices on all of them. Perusing the women's section, look at this. Jordan 14s, $1.50, so it's at $30 off. And they do got these Jordan ones right here. These are a 6Y, so this is a grade school. I don't think this means to be here. But yeah, do got some Jordan ones. Pretty sure these did not mean to be here, but do got them on the back wall. I don't know, you could try to negotiate so if they'll give you a discount. Got Superstars going for 80. Huarache's down to 60 bucks, 5.5. Superstars down to 30. That's a hell of a price. Oh, that is an awful toe box. Air Max 90s, 90 bucks. Oh, these are some generic Air Maxes. These Air Max 90s? The hell are these? Oh, Futuras, that's what they are. Who knows? Got some Converse Chucks right here, 50 bucks. You got these Superstars going for 80. Some Chuck platform looking things going for 60. That's about it in the women's. Alright, that's pretty much about it. Check out Bobby Thrift's channel. Also check out Bossco Mitchell. Both of those you can hear me from over there. But yeah, make sure you guys check out his channel. Make sure you guys help our boy up. Make sure you press that like button if you're new. Press that subscribe button. Also, click on one of these videos, man. Do drop a ton of videos. Click on one of these. It helps the algorithm. Make sure you guys watch till the end. Do all that stuff. Appreciate y'all. See you.